I wish I had that view screen.
Scott is followed by Dale. His name is Chip. He's the right wing for the Red Stars. Bill Beckett, H.O. Harold H.O. back to the left wing. And Ron Murray, Popeye. Popeye is the slot pilot for the Red Stars. Little Felix Griffiths. He's the alternate lead pilot for the Red Stars. Also got Bob Watts, all-time Keel, Mark Davis, me, and Keith Little. So we definitely appreciate everything the Red Stars do to help us out. Got a nice little pass there. They got the gear up. You just go up and ride along. And they're going to go up and they're going to chase plans for Walt and the team. And they're going to be up here in a few minutes. We're about 12 minutes away from 12 to 15 minutes away from them jumping. And they're going to go up there and make some few passes, get some altitude, and get things ready. And they'll be kicking off the festivities there. I like this announcement thing. Everybody bringing us free food. The ice cream cycle, the original ice cream cycle, just brought us up some food bars, some various food bars. Food like tasty and fuel on the pretty tasty stuff.
One of those is for sale. I can't afford it.
Several other performers we have coming up today. Of course, Walt Green, I've been talking about him. Bambi Knight and Chris Christensen are going to be our jumpers. After that, the Red Stars are going to do a missing man formation. The missing man formation is kind of a tribute to fallen aviators. After that, Chris and Bambi are floating to the ground. Walt is getting in. There's Walt out doing his free fall. Got the smoke going. One of the few civilians that actually does a smoke free fall. Reaching 175 miles an hour before he opens the chute. You saw that jerk there when he opened the chute. That's equivalent to about 7 G's. So all of a sudden, Walt's body weight was about 7 times what it normally would be. Here's the Yaks. The Yaks will continue to fly circles around Walt. So Walt Green is a well-known demo jumper from Golden, Colorado. He's a former U.S. Army Airborne Special Forces soldier. He was a Green Beret on the A-Team. He has 25 military jumps, and as a Special Forces soldier, all of their jumps were night jumps with full equipment out of C-130s at altitudes of only between 750 and 1,000 feet. To put that into perspective, that's only 1/4 of the distance that Walt jumped out today. He jumped out at 4,000 feet. He has over 4,500 skydives, over 300 demo jumps. He jumped out at 4,000 feet, and as I said earlier, he's one of the few civilian skydivers who jumps smoke on a free fall. banner is towed behind a parachutist on an airplane, it is classified as a banner. And as such, it may briefly touch the ground, even so our ground crew will quickly gather it up.
I'm sure the air boss in the tower will dictate where he flies for this.
Yeah.
F-16, Andrews Air Force Base out to the